Hi there, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will be doing a quick field test of the GoPro Hero 8 action camera and determining whether it's worth your hard-earned money to invest in. I will test the video and photo quality of the device under real-world operating conditions, then give you my thoughts on this little camera. Let's get started. Today we're going to be testing this new GoPro Hero 8 camera in a very special location. I'm going to be taking this on quite an adventure today. I'm going to cycle this bike that I have up into some woods nearby. So without any further ado, let's get started. This was the point I realised that I would have to abandon my original plan, as the weather was beginning to really turn nasty at this stage. Cycling home was a great chance to test the video quality of the GoPro, especially the stabilization at high speeds. And oh boy, as you can see from the result, it is really quite impressive. Frustratingly, as soon as I arrived home, the weather began to instantly improve. Look at that. As soon as I arrive home, under like torrential rainfall, the weather suddenly clears up and it's absolutely beautiful now. Oh, it's typical. Now that the weather is finally cooperating with us, I have the GoPro Hero 8 all set up on a very nice tripod and the drone all ready to go. So now we're going to test how the Hero 8 performs in a truly kind of tripod mode. And as you can see, I think it performs quite well in this role. So, what are my final thoughts on the GoPro Hero 8? Well, from the short time I have been using this little device, I absolutely love it. Considering this very small size of the lens, I initially didn't think it would perform so well. However, it takes great still photos, the video is of course amazing looking, and the stabilization technology is quite remarkable. Considering all these factors, I'm really excited to put it on one of my fixed-wing RC aeroplanes. I've done this in the past with a cheaper €50 action camera I purchased from Lidl. However, the results were not as great as I wanted them to be, so I'm really excited to put a good quality action camera on board one of my planes. But the one thing I dislike about the Hero 8 is the fact that it does not have a removable lens as on previous models. As a result, I shot all this video with the Hero 8 in a waterproof case, hence the somewhat muffled audio in parts. That's how worried I am of damaging the lens. However, for €300, I would highly recommend that you get a Hero 8 if you're into filmmaking or just want a fun, compact little camera that you can carry around with you at all times. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, please consider subscribing. Bye for now.